last forever, ever, hold on, never mind. Oh,
Beautiful, creative Aquarius. How are you guys doing? So let's see what's coming up for you in the upcoming week, August 2021. What you need to see in regard to your general love and career messages. It's a general reading, keep that in mind. Do watch your sun, moon, and rising, okay? Cross watchers, take it as it resonates. And all my information is in the description box. Thank you so much. Use your intellectual head, guys, while you interpret the reading as well. Connect to the reading as well. And I'm trying to grow the community organically. I would appreciate if you see the reading or you like the readings on the channel, and whatever little I do, please do give us a like and subscribe. That really adds, and I send you so much of love and light. So Michael, show me the message we need to see for our Aquarius going forward upcoming week in August 2021, a general love career reading. What do they need to see? What do they need to see? They show me just keep doing what you're doing right now. Okay. It's about, that grounded energy wherein you know that it's going to pan out for you by the end of the day. You're sure about it. Yeah, you're sure. Because you're very, like I said, you've got a very intellectual, clear kind of head as well. You're curious about things, yes, but... sorry, had to take water. But again, the idea is that, you have to work on your throat chakra. Maybe that was the reason I had to take water. So don't stay introverted, talk about it, share your thoughts and values and systems, okay? So you are the 11th sign in the zodiac, as we know. And if your sun is in the Aquarius, you would obviously get an understanding if it's in rising or moon. Just see where it stands, okay? So do watch your sun, moon, and rising. Let's see for my Aquarius. What do we need to see? Yeah, it is more to do with like that kind of balance, and keep doing what you're doing, keep planting what you're planting, and hard work always pays off. That labor always pays off, right? So Aquarius, let's see what do we need to see for you going forward. My favorite visualization, the message for the highest good for my Aquarius. 3 of Wands, absolutely. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius energy. The idea is that just keep doing you, because you're almost there. You're almost there, and it is just coming around for you, and you have nothing to worry about. Why? Because for the simple reason that it takes time. All our experiences, all our thoughts, all our ideas, they take time to get into reality. So to apply it is a different game, but to absorb all of it takes a lot of time, and then you apply it, right? So obviously it's a time consuming thing. It's about disciplining yourself. It's about knowing that it's right ahead, the development in whichever way, career, love, relationship, partnership, whatever, it is definitely coming you in. Whatever little hurdle is there right now that you feel is there would be removed. Why? Because it will not stay for long, as they say. Because if it does, then obviously the change that we are expecting here, will not obviously stop. It's not going to stop. It's going to come, right? It's going to arrive. But how soon, how quickly, that is something that would come in divine order and divine timing, right? Keep working harder, towards like that amazing future that you want. And see, I have Temperance, an amazing angel kind of vibe, the balance that we seek mentally, physically around, They're saying just keep doing it, because, they're shining the light bright on you. They're saying that, you're getting the hang of it. You're, basically also about the dark and the light side of you that you kind of seeing. You're trying to balance it all out so that you're not confused anymore, and you're considerate about other people's feelings as well. Maybe that's also one of the ideas that they're saying. So with the wheel, the Jupiterian energy, the idea is that it is definitely coming around to you. Something is coming. It's like something very unexpected. And this is something which has been very much out, in fairly all the readings that we've done. So whatever you've been chasing, you've been wanting, it is coming to you. It's lousy luck. As I said, I think for Capricorns also, that it's amazing luck, it's amazing changes that are coming into you. It's just that how much you're trusting it, how much you are believing in it. With the Three of Wands also there, you need to believe in the fact that, this angel around here is bringing you that change that you're seeking. And it's coming towards you. What else do we need to see with the Wheel, Temperance, and the Three of Wands for my Aquarius going forward? My people, some of the messages that I need to see. King of Pentacles. Maybe you're dealing with an Capricorn also. There's a possibility, or you have that in your chart. So King of Pentacles is about like being assured, knowing what you're supposed to do, knowing that, whatever is that you're asking for will come to you if you stay in the sense of balance, if you invest in yourself more, if you think of the self-worth and not doubt yourself, because that is what really upsets you when people don't live up to your expectation. That really upsets you, Aquarian, my lovely Aquarians. And that's what they're saying, that stay cool, just stay chill, and don't force it on people. Those who are meant to be with you, they will definitely come your way. You don't have to do much for it. Make peace with it. Instead of disrupting things around you, just make peace with it, so that you or your partner, in any relationship, love, friendships, career, children, whatever, that stays the way it is. With the Chariot, again, amazing. Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. For me, this is also like this huge yin yang card. This is also about that amazing sense of balance, the energies, divine masculine, feminine energies that you are bringing within you with the angel up above. Could be like this soulmate kind of vibe also, but it's coming to you. You're getting into that space and zone where you don't want to be upset, you don't want to make the other person upset also. You want to avoid the confrontations because you feel that, your peace is very important, because you don't want to be divided into pieces, right? Chop, 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 chop. You don't want to do that. You're out of that mess. And you've been wanting this for a while. There is this Page of Swords energy. Maybe you would, as I said, you could be dealing with a co-air sign. Could be a Sagittarius, could be Libra, could be an earth sign, could be a Cancer. But with the Page of Swords, it's also to do about your creative endeavors, because you guys are creative people. As I said, you're very curious about learning things, new skills, new ideas, right? And whatever you're thinking or planning about, go for it, because that'll be super hit. That is what the spirits tell me. They would be very, very good, if you kind of go forward with that kind of determination and you keep persevering and you push yourself forward. It's going to pan out in your favor only. You could expect communication, you could expect messages coming to you through the online medium big time. With the Nine of Cups, as I said, whatever guys you're planning, thinking to do, etc., etc., it is going to come to you, provided you ensure that you bring about those little changes that are required, okay? Don't rush into anything. Be considerate enough to avoid things that push you through, okay? Be very easy, slow, confident, grounded. Earth, air, Cancer, very strong. So just know how you need to go forward, okay? How you will go, so that you avoid all the drama, okay? And how you stay in that amazing state of mind that brings peace to you, happiness to you, joy to you. What else might we need to see for Aquarius going forward? It's not even twisting. What else you need to see for my Capricorn? Oh, you're definitely dealing with a Capricorn Aquarius, possibly for some. Some of your peer managers and your work is going okay, but you're looking for a raise up. That's what they show me. Is someone working at Starbucks? I don't know. They show me that. Four of Wands. What else you want? Fire energy. All is good in your space, honey. As long as you believe in it, as long as you keep putting in the effort, as long as you keep trusting in it, as long as you say, whatever is going to happen is going to happen for the highest good, and I will not doubt myself. I will not fall into the trap. I say no to drama. I know for a fact that it will be a great week going forward, whether it's in regard to relationships, my partner, existent, current, or coming up. It's going to be super, and I'm open and willing to receive this abundance that the angels are sending my way, or deities, whoever you believe in, right? So God bless you. This is what I have for you, my Aquarius, and I send you so much of love and light. If you like and resonate, do give us a subscribe and do share about it as well. And thank you so much for watching, and I should see you the next time. Until eternity, bye.